the second band in residence over the course of 3 years. The first one was Lunacy, and they brought out an album called The Leitrim Equation 1. We're here tonight to launch Leitrim Equation 2. And what we did was we had 8 visits to Leitrim of 3.5-day duration each. We went to every school practically in the county, every active age group, old folks home, community centre, every pub, people's houses. We really got ensconced in Leitrim, and we uncovered some fantastic talent both in the youth, in the schools, and in the active age and old folks homes. You know, absolute hidden gems, great characters. And then of course with the beauty of Leitrim as our backdrop, for 18 months we had just an amazing time, met some great people, and made a great recording. So that's why we're here tonight to launch it.
Play free, why wouldn't I? Sure, I'd play all night and day.
Well, on the album there's so many musicians. It's amazing. Charlie McGettigan is no stranger to anybody, I suppose. He's a great singer-songwriter and has a great repertoire of songs and tunes, both traditional and newly composed, that are in the vein. Eleanor Shanley, fantastic singer from Leitrim. Rosie Stewart, who has a pub in North Leitrim and is a beautiful singer.
We fought like Turks till the Poles separated us. They marched us off to prison, broken noses and black eyes. I got 60 days in prison, and to me it was a lesson that I'll never go to funerals before the bar dies.
Adrian Dunbar, who is better known to everybody as an actor, is also a brilliant singer, and he did County Leitrim Queen on the album. Andy Irvine also makes an appearance. In terms of musicians, we have the wonderful, legendary Ben Lennon. No Leitrim album would be complete without him. In our job now, we travel the world to play music in foreign lands, but it's seldom we get the time to really kind of immerse ourselves in the locality, if you like. And that was just a brilliant experience, because it kind of it completely invigorated us and gave us a battery charge, because that's where we get the music. We get the music from the folks of the locality. Those old tunes, you know, that might otherwise just have stayed in a particular locality, is now able to, you know, expand and have a broader audience. What we found is a huge wealth that abounds through Leitrim, you know, in strength of character and sense of place, and you know, then the beauty of the surroundings, the great music, the great history, the great folklore that, you know, is in every nook and cranny from the South Leitrim right up to the coastline. On the 9th of December you will be lucky enough to be tuned into Livetrad.com, which will bring you the Leitrim Equation launch Mark II, and here at the Button Factory in Dublin, and we were going to have the very best of what Leitrim has to offer by way of singers and dancers and musicians, and I just am so looking forward to having a great night with them, and I know you'll enjoy it, so tune in 9th of December.